Okay, this is an update to the drone crash and the 360 crash. All the drone needed was 2 new propellers, and I'm going to show you now by getting it to fly. It shows you what an amazing bit of kit that is. The fact that you can whip it into a wall, and all it needed was 2 little propeller blades. Unbelievable. And that shows you that that one's okay. Okay, with the X4 360, I don't know if you can see this, that lens is actually broken on the outside, but they're removable screen protectors, so they're okay. This case that I bought is absolutely amazing. I think there's a slight little mark on it, but nothing seriously wrong with it. And the camera itself is working fine. As you can see there, if I change the video over, you can see both lenses are fine without any issues whatsoever. And all I need to do with the lens is unscrew and remove. You can see that the lens itself is fine, and it's just simply, I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but it's that one that's scratched. So all in all, it says something about the quality of the DJI Mini Pro 3 and also the Insta X4.